Divorce. A single word, yet it carries a weight of emotions, legal complexities, and life-altering decisions. It's a word that conjures images of fractured homes, broken promises, and futures irrevocably changed. The very foundation of what was once a family unit begins to crumble. And adult heartache, the pain of separation, the stress of legal battles, and the uncertainty of what lies ahead. It's a turbulent time filled with emotional and practical challenges. But often overlooked are the children, those innocent bystanders, quiet figures whose worlds are being reshaped in ways they can't control. Their routines disrupted, their sense of security shattered, and their hearts often caught in the crossfire. Across Europe, families face separation daily, a reality that touches countless lives and communities. And while legal and financial matters dominate the proceedings, often taking center stage in courtrooms and negotiations, children's rights and emotional well-being can become an afterthought. Their voices unheard, their needs unmet, and their futures potentially compromised. The true measure of a society's compassion, its commitment to justice, is how it protects its most vulnerable, those who cannot protect themselves, especially children during divorce. Ensuring their safety, stability, and emotional support during this difficult transition is paramount. Ensuring a child's right to a stable, loving upbringing isn't just moral, a matter of ethical responsibility, it's a legal imperative, a fundamental principle enshrined in international law and national constitutions. In this video, we'll delve into the critical aspects of child protection during divorce, the top 10 essential ways, the key strategies and legal safeguards to protect and uphold children's rights during divorce in Europe, ensuring their voices are heard and their needs are met, offering practical guidance for parents, legal professionals, and anyone involved in the well-being of children during this challenging time. Let's begin. Let's embark on this journey to understand and advocate for the rights of children in divorce. Protecting your child is paramount, especially when navigating the complexities of separation or divorce. It's a time filled with emotional challenges, and ensuring their well-being requires careful consideration and informed decisions. This journey starts with understanding the legal landscape. Familiarizing yourself with the relevant laws and regulations is the first crucial step in safeguarding your child's future. Family law varies significantly across Europe, with each country having its own unique set of rules and procedures. Navigating these differences can be incredibly challenging, and without expert guidance, you might find yourself lost in a maze of legal jargon and complex regulations. Without proper understanding, parents risk making costly mistakes that can have long-lasting consequences for both themselves and their children. A specialist in family law clarifies the often confusing legal processes, providing you with a clear understanding of your rights and responsibilities. They will meticulously explain your child's rights, ensuring their voice is heard and their best interests are always prioritized. Furthermore, a lawyer will outline your obligations as a parent, helping you understand your duties regarding care, custody, and financial support. They also ensure entitlements are protected, advocating for fair and just outcomes in all legal proceedings. This includes crucial aspects like financial support and housing, guaranteeing your child's basic needs are met. These protections are vital for providing stability and security during a time of significant change. Remember, seeking legal advice isn't solely about winning a case. It's about building a solid foundation for a stable and secure future for your child. It's about paving the way for your child's future, ensuring they have the best possible opportunities to thrive. It removes the guesswork from complex legal situations, providing clarity and direction. And it prevents misunderstandings between parties, fostering a more cooperative and amicable environment. This proactive approach can significantly reduce tension and prevent conflicts from escalating. This step ensures that all decisions are well informed, based on accurate information and sound legal principles. It guarantees that all actions taken are legally sound, compliant with relevant laws and regulations. And most importantly, it ensures that all decisions are centered on your child's best interests, prioritizing their well-being above all else. Therefore, before making any significant plans or decisions, always consult a professional family lawyer. Seek guidance from someone who thoroughly understands the intricate legal architecture of divorce and its impact on families. Engaging with a legal professional is a proactive act of responsible parenting, demonstrating your commitment to your child's well-being. Set the precedent for responsible co-parenting, ensuring your child's welfare remains the top priority throughout the entire process. Remember, your child's well-being is the non-negotiable priority, and seeking professional legal advice is a crucial step in upholding that commitment. Once legal matters are underway, focus on your child's emotional world. Children sense changes long before they're told. Silence breeds anxiety. Honest, age-appropriate conversations help children process what's happening and reassure them it's not their fault. For young children, keep explanations simple and loving. For older kids, be more nuanced but clear. Reassure them that both parents love them and that the divorce isn't their responsibility. Make communication ongoing, not a one-time event. Encourage questions and answer with patience, avoiding blame. By being open, you model healthy coping and show your child they're respected and included. This empowers them to face changes with greater security. Children thrive on routine. It's the bedrock of their young lives, providing a sense of predictability and safety in a world that can often feel overwhelming. A consistent schedule helps them understand what to expect, reducing anxiety and fostering a sense of calm. Familiar rituals like a special breakfast on Saturday mornings or a nightly family dinner provide comfort during upheaval. These shared moments become anchors, reminding children of the constants in their lives, even when everything else seems to be changing. They offer a sense of belonging and connection, reinforcing the bonds that hold a family together. When family structure changes, whether through relocation, separation, or other significant life events, preserving daily habits becomes even more crucial. Maintaining a sense of normalcy can be a powerful buffer against the stress and uncertainty that children experience during these times. Simple things, like mealtimes, bedtime stories, and school routines, can make a world of difference. These familiar patterns reassure children that their world isn't falling apart, that some things remain constant and reliable. Consistency gives them a sense of control and predictability, empowering them to navigate the changes with greater confidence. New routines, especially between two homes, require careful planning and open communication. These should be as clear and reliable as possible, ensuring that the child knows what to expect in each environment. Use shared calendars, designated bags, and predictable schedules to ease transitions and minimize stress. The goal is to make the new reality feel organized and safe, a place where the child can thrive despite the changes. Protecting routines is an act of empathy, a tangible way of showing children their needs are seen and prioritized, that their emotional well-being matters. Even small rituals, like a special handshake before school or a favorite bedtime story, can anchor a child in times of uncertainty, providing a sense of comfort and connection. Through stability, you protect their sense of security, fostering resilience and helping them navigate life's challenges with greater ease. Divorce can tempt parents to pull children closer, but unless safety is at risk, children need permission to love both parents. Pressuring a child to choose sides harms their sense of self. Support their relationship with your ex by speaking positively, facilitating communication, and being flexible with schedules. Celebrate the other parent's role, sharing your child's excitement about time spent with them. This reassures children that their family has changed shape, not disappeared. Fostering these bonds protects your child's identity and emotional health. It's a difficult but vital act of maturity. Let your child be whole. Court battles create winners and losers, but mediation offers a collaborative path. A neutral mediator helps parents find common ground and reach agreements focused on the child's best interests. Mediation is less adversarial, empowering parents to make decisions together. It models healthy conflict resolution and reduces the child's exposure to animosity. Agreements reached this way are often more durable and child-focused. Choosing mediation signals a commitment to cooperation, not confrontation. It shifts the narrative from me versus you to us for our child. Mediation is a pragmatic, compassionate choice. Amid practical chaos, children's voices can be lost. Create a safe space for your child to express feelings through words, play, or art. Validate their emotions, even when they're hard to hear. Listening doesn't mean giving them all the decisions, but their preferences matter. For older children, involve them in discussions about schedules or living arrangements. Their feelings will evolve. Keep listening as they adapt. Consistent empathy provides a vital emotional outlet. You are their anchor, reminding them their feelings matter. This support helps them feel less alone. Ongoing parental conflict is deeply harmful to children. Shield them by handling disagreements privately and never criticizing the other parent in front of them. Children internalize conflict and feel torn when asked to take sides. Present a united front, at least in their presence, modeling respect and civility. Extend this principle to family and friends. Ask them not to speak negatively about your ex around your child. Children need their support network to be neutral ground. Prioritize your child's peace of mind over your own need to vent. 2 calm homes are better than 2 battlegrounds. Divorce is a major upheaval. Some children need more support than parents alone can provide. Therapy isn't about fixing brokenness. It's about giving children a safe space to process feelings. A therapist can help children articulate emotions and develop coping skills. Watch for signs your child is struggling. Withdrawal, anxiety, sleep issues. Suggest therapy gently, framing it as extra support. Providing access to professional help is a profound act of care. It shows your child their feelings are important. It's an investment in their long-term well-being. Children's rights are at the heart of family law across Europe. The child's best interests must guide all decisions. This is a legal standard, not just a goal. Children have the right to be heard and to maintain relationships with both parents. These rights are theirs, not the parents', and must be respected. Understanding these principles empowers you to act in your child's best interests. It elevates the process from private dispute to upholding universal rights. Let these rights guide your actions and decisions. Align your approach with the highest legal and ethical standards. The parenting plan is where law, communication, and stability come together. It's more than a schedule. It's the constitution for your new family structure. A detailed plan covers communication, decision-making, schedules, holidays, and practicalities. The more detail, the less room for conflict. Create the plan collaboratively, ideally with a mediator. This process forces parents to focus on the child's needs, not their own disputes. The plan provides clarity and consistency for everyone. It's the ultimate expression of putting your child first. Even after separation, you remain united as parents. These 10 pillars safeguard children through divorce's turbulent waters. Protecting your child is an active, ongoing process, requiring communication, stability, and cooperation. Seek support for your child and yourself so you can be the parent they need. Divorce isn't the end of a family, but a restructuring. With care, children can emerge resilient and secure. Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Together, we can help more children emerge from divorce not as casualties, but as resilient, loved individuals.